Time to get back to work on the monster pit bike. Let's take a look at what's going to make this go. I currently do not have a sprocket, but I do have this sprocket that came off the donor bike. Let's get this off the hub assembly. Is that called a hub assembly? Whatever you want to call that. Some of you ask me what that spray is that I use to degrease stuff, and I reply, elbow grease. I'm not being spiteful, it's just what it's called. As you can tell, it works pretty spiffy. I reckon it'll fit. I'll make it if it don't. The moment of truth. Seems to be off by a couple of mil. After a good lumping from the persuader, she fit. Happy days. You may ask yourself one question. What's next? Gear shift. Now I am thinking maybe a suicide shifter? Let me know what you think about that one.